Hello everyone. We are going myself Maksud MD. In this video, we are going to discuss our assignment 2 on software development methodologies. The topic is a poster presentation on SRS document on online cab booking system. Moving on to next slide. These are our team members: Khadar Ghaus, Maksud Junaid, and Ryan and Afsan Khan. In next, coming to the introduction, today I will be presenting the software design for online cab booking system. The online cab booking system is designed to help the passenger conveniently book a cab through a digital interface. With a just a, with a just few seconds or clicks, user can request a ride and track it completely booking process easily. In this assignment, our focus is to convert the requirement from the assignment 1 into completely software design. We will preparing UML models, system architecture, and model uh, breakdown into the testing and different strategies. Our main goal is to transfer the requirement specification into the structure software blueprint that can use it for a development. Coming to objectives and system, in the objectives of the system, we are mainly focusing on to build a structured and scalable architecture. The system should handle the cab booking smoothly and supported future enhancement, and model that entire system behavior is like to use using use case diagram. In that, class diagram, sequence diagram, activity diagram, and data flow diagram, and breaking the system into the clean models like a passenger model, booking model, driver model, and admin model. Each model will have a defined role and operations. Next, we are going to plan the implementation and testing strategies. This helps ensure the system work correctly and can be maintained easily. Next, move on to the apply software engineering principles. We are going to add modularity, reusability, security, and maintainability. By following these objectives, we can ensure the cab booking system become a efficient, scalable, and easy to use for all type of user. Next, we are going to uh, system architecture. In that, mainly there are the three architecture: presentation layer, application layer, and data layer. Firstly, a presentation layer. It is a first layer in presentation layer. This is the front end part that user can directly interact with the web pages. In it include the passenger interface, driver interface, and admin dashboard. All the screens and forms are created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Basically, this layer focus on providing a clean and simple and user-friendly interface to all type of users. Next, coming to application layer, it is a second layer in application layer, mm, also called as a business logic layer. This layer handles the core system functions such as user authentication, that is login and registers page, booking logic, fare calculation, driver assessment. Next, it designed a conceptual using the RESTnet uh, based service architecture, which means each function work like a service. In simple word, this layer decides how the system behaves and how the data flow between the UI and database, that is user interface to database. Next, coming to data layer, it is a third layer. In this layer, booking data and admin information. For academic implementation, we are simulated this using a local storage. Instead of the real database. This layer ensures that the entire system data is stored in a structured and ret- returnable manner. So thank you. Next will be continued by my another teammate.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Ran and today I'm going to present use cases overview. Here actors, passenger, driver, admin. These are the three main user of the system. Passenger use the app to book ride. Driver use the app to accept complete ride. Admin manage the entire system and passenger in logging sign up, booking ride, track ride, view booking. A passenger can create an account, login and start using the service. They can request a ride by choosing pickup and drop location. After booking they can track the ride in real time. Passenger can also open the app and see their old and current booking. And your driver receive ride request update status and the driver get a notification whenever a passenger book a ride. The driver can change the ride status like accepted, on the way, completed, etc. Admin wipe all booking, update booking status, clear booking. The admin has full control. They can see all ride happening in the system. They can update any booking manually if there is an issue. They can also remove old and or duplicate booking to keep the system clean. Next slide. Clear class diagram overview explanation. User base class for all user. This is a parent class. Common details like name, email and login information are stored here. Passenger and driver classes reuse these properties. Passengers book rights. A passenger is a child class of user. Its main job is to book ride and track them. Driver receive the ride assignment. A driver is also a child classes of user. The driver gets assigned ride from the system. Booking stores cab type, route, fare. Driver the class keeps the main ride information. It saves cab is selected, the route of the rider, the total fare, and which driver is handling the ride. Vehicle linked to driver. Every driver has a vehicle. This stores vehicle details like vehicle number, model, and type. Payment fare details. This class handle payment information. It stores how much the passenger pays and the payment status. This ensure an object oriented foundation for scalable code. Using like passenger, driver and booking makes the system easy to extend. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now I am explaining the system workflow sequence diagram. Uh, this this is the step-by-step workflow of our cab booking system. First, the passenger enters the pickup, drop, and cab details. The system then calculates the fare and automatically assigns an available driver. After that, a unique booking ID is generated and the booking is saved. Finally, the admin updates the ride status and the passenger can see the updated status on their screen. This workflow shows the complete journey from booking a ride till ride completion. Next slide. Uh, so model breakdown. In this, I am explaining the main models of our system. The passenger model handles sign up, login, and booking. The driver model lets drivers receive ride request and update status. The admin model manages all bookings. The booking model performs fare calculation and driver assignments. We also added a tracking model and a notification model for updates. These models makes our system well organized, modular, and easy to maintain. Thank you.
I am Khadar Vasanur. I am explaining the implementation plan of our project. So, firstly, we use HTML to create the structure of all the pages. Then we use the CSS to design the appearance and ensure the layout is responsive on the different type of devices. And we use the JavaScript, which will handle the main logic such as booking functionalities, form validation, and the managing user sessions. And we also use the local storage as a mini database which will temporarily store user and the booking data. And for the development purposes, we work with the tools like VS Code, Live Server, Draw.io, or Figma, which we'll use for the design, and also we use the GitHub for the version control. Togetherly, these technologies helps us to form the full workflow for building and running the system. Coming to the key features which are implemented in our project are the first feature is user authentication with the proper validation, which will ensure the secure access. Next is the booking form, which will includes the interactive fare interactive fare updates and also calculates the cost in real time based on the user inputs, and also an admin dashboard, which will include for managing the rights as well as monitoring the activities. And there is also a driver assignment logic, which will automatically assigns a driver to a booking. And finally, a tracking simulation button is also used, which will allows users to visualize the ride progress in a simple manner. So all these features togetherly make the system functional and user friendly. Thank you.
So hello everyone, I am Junaid. So I am going to explain about the key features implementation. So first is user authentication with validation. So users can sign up and log in securely, which prevents an invalid or empty data from being submitted. Booking form with interactive fare updates. Users enter pickup drop location and cab type. It helps the user to see updated fare before confirming the booking. Admin dashboard for ride control. Admin can view all users' bookings in one dashboard, can update ride status, pending, accepted, ongoing, and completed. So here are the options to clear all bookings, manages users, and monitor system activity. Driver assignment logic. So each booking automatically gets an available driver. Logic ensures drivers are randomly so sequentially assigned. Tracking simulation button. A track ride button stimulates real-time tracking. Opens a pop-up that imitates driver's location updates. So next, next we will come to the testing strategy. Unit testing. Testing strategy. Unit testing. So, in unit testing, test individual components separately, that is login, which correct credentials, incorrect credentials, empty fields, sign up, validation of name, email, password, and fair calculation, different gap types and distances, booking creation, booking ID, data storage, status update, driver or admin status test. Each function is validated independently. Integration testing ensures modules work together properly. Login, book ride, and my booking. Check whether the booking appears correctly after login. Admin status update reflects on user ID. System testing verifies overall system functionality. All pages load correctly, responsive layout on mobile and desktop. No broken units, UI issues, or navigation error. All button forms and features operate without failure. Ensures the entire system are respected. Security testing test data from protection and access control. Input validation prevents script injection and invalid entities. Isolated admin access. Only admin credentials can open the dashboard. Session handling ensures unauthorized users cannot access protected pages. Thank you.
A complete design blueprint for an online cab booking system, and it will successfully model the architecture using the UML diagrams like use case, sequence, activity, DFDA, DFA level 1 0. All those diagrams are used here, and we implemented the core models using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript languages. The testing will ensure the reliability as well as the smooth functioning of the all the features. and design is very scalable and ready for the real backend integration in the future purposes. Thank you.